In this problem, we want to identify every chiral center in cholesterol with an asterisk. So sometimes it's easiest to do this by process of elimination, and there's certain things that will never be chiral centers. For one, CH3s, because the carbon has 3 hydrogen, so not 4 different groups. CH2s, because there's 2 hydrogen and not 4 different groups. Alkene carbons, triple bond carbons, those will never be chiral centers, and then heteroatoms or halogens like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. We'll never consider those as chiral centers. So I'm going to go through and basically eliminate some of these things with just a red highlighter. So you can forget about the oxygen. You can forget about any of the CH2 groups. You can forget about any of the CH3 groups. We can forget about the alkene carbons. So now we're only left with a few places to examine. So I'll highlight these positions in blue. Here, 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 and here. So now you need to look at each of these and see if there's 4 different groups attached. In some cases, you may want to draw in hydrogen. So like down here where we have the OH, there's a hydrogen there. And you should find that there are, in fact, 4 different groups attached. So that's a chiral center. If we come up to this carbon, you can find 4 different groups. And again, I'll just show you this one as an example. You have a CH3 as a group. This carbon, which is part of an alkene, is a group. This CH that's part of that next ring is a group. And a CH2 is a group. So you can trace around a ring as far apart or as far as you need to find a point of difference. As long as you find those 4 different groups, that's a chiral center. This next one's a chiral center. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. And then we come here to the end, and what you should identify here is that you have a CH3 and a CH3 bonded to that carbon. 2 of the same things. So that is not a chiral center. So this molecule, cholesterol, has 8 chiral centers.